Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's fix Discord stream audio not working. So first of all, make sure that your audio itself is working in your PC. Select your sound and make sure the volume is full here. And also make sure that you have given access for Discord to your sound. You can easily go ahead and do that in your settings. So once everything is done, what you have to do is come back to your Discord, make sure that you are logged into your account and select this user settings. This might be at the bottom page. Now in here, you have to select voice and video. Go ahead, select this option. Make sure input volume is full and also output volume is full. Under input device, if you have added any device, select that. In my case, I have not, so default is fine. And make sure output is also same. If you have added any device for output, like a microphone or speaker, you may go ahead, choose that device, and the sound will play on that specific device that you have added. Now in here under input profile, select voice isolation rather than the studio or custom. In here, make sure this is voice activity. And lastly, make sure this switch voice channel warning is turned on. Once this is all done, restart your device, launch your Discord, and it will fix your problem.